funny though. Nico's gonna see.
Go, Nico.
You're a little ill.
Wow. That was a bad one. Ah! What the heck?
These again, that was a bad one. Or it sounds like, it sounds funnier.
Oh my god, Dad. I've seen
Once you're gonna be like,
I've already done it. I'll give you $5.
No, you won't.
No, I will. I have $5.
I've already done.
Okay, I'll show you the $5.
but that's it.
I'll show you $5 and give it to you. If you go up there, you go. This seriously make my day. Go. See, look, $5. Not gonna do it. Guys, I don't have to go up there.
See, look, he's even cheering you on.
Go! He's already heard me sneeze.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
He's already heard me.
Do it. I have to go to
What are you?
Cute. Go, Asa. Nick, you're in our way. No, he's not. Okay, thank you.
Not like everybody, let's applaud him.
No, that was dumb.